In this video, we'll show you how to fix slow download speed in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if your downloads are crawling despite good internet, I'll show you how to fix that. So first, go to the start menu and type in settings. Open it up. Now from here, you want to go to network and internet, and then go to Wi-Fi or Ethernet at the top, depending on what you use. Select your internet connection. So for me, it's this one. Click on it. Now here, look for metered connection, and you want to toggle this off. And after you do that, you can go back to network and internet, and this time go to advanced network settings. And here look for the internet connection you're using. So for me, it's this one. Click on it and then click edit. Look for internet protocol version 4, go to properties, and then you're going to tick use the following DNS server addresses and fill in this DNS server. Click OK, and that's done. Alright, now you can close the settings, go to the start menu and type in CMD, right click on it, run it as administrator, type in ipconfig/flush DNS, like that, and press enter. After you do this, you can restart your PC and test the download. Alright, if you're downloading through your browser, you can try this app. I personally use it and it's faster than the browser downloads. So you can go to freedownloadmanager.org, click download, and install it on your PC.